Day 26, the final week. I just want to congratulate you. If you are still here with me, you're in the 1%. What I'm hoping you're getting from all of this is yes, we experience tons of symptoms, changes in our bodies, changes in our brain, changes in our skin and joints. Not that it's normal, but there's a reason and there's definitely something you can do about it. So today we're talking about slower wound healing. It's not just about cutting yourself and it takes longer. Sure, that's one aspect of it. When my nephew burned himself when he was a couple years old, his healing was like instantaneous overnight. It definitely slows down. Part of that has to do with our thymus gland that is very active when we're young and then it disappears as we get older. But part of it has to do with our hormones. It takes a little bit longer to repair damage to our skin, to our joints, to our muscles and tissues. And that has to do with a lot of things. It has to do with our hormones. We have slower skin turnover, as we already talked about. It goes from 28 days to maybe 40 or so days. But then there's also the element of decreased nutrient absorption. As our hormones decline, we get more leaky gut, more inflammation. The tight junctions are open. We're just not absorbing and digesting our foods as well. We're not even talking about if someone has some sort of an infection or inflammation, hypothyroid, is on a GLP-1, has a gallbladder issue or gallbladder removal. This is just without any of that. We're already absorbing fewer nutrients, less protein. We're maybe not eating enough protein, and it takes more to actually get enough protein, collagen, enough cell turnover. And so there's a few things you can do about it. One, focus on an unprocessed whole foods diet, rich in protein, rich in plenty of amino acids, but then also foods rich in vitamin C and zinc, things like bell peppers, broccoli, pumpkin seeds, oysters, kind of one of nature's multivitamins. It's definitely a controversial food, but I've started eating them just to try to get a little bit more of those really critical nutrients. And then, of course, regular physical activity helps with the circulation of oxygen and nutrients. And then restorative sleep. We're just not able to restore without that. A few other things that I've been trying are things like peptides, specifically copper peptides. You take them orally or topically on your skin. There is one that I like, and if you're interested, let me know, that I've been using for a few months, and I'm really, really hopeful about it. But it combines estrogens and those copper peptides and some of the hyaluronic acid and things like that. So hopefully this helps. It really is an all-around effort to make sure that our joints and tissues and skin and healing is optimized.